Hello, futurists, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a mind-bending combination that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster, blockchain and robotics. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Blockchain is for digital currency, right? And robots are for, well, building cars or vacuuming floors. But what happens when you merge these two revolutionary technologies? You get something truly game-changing. Imagine a massive, bustling warehouse. Hundreds of robots are zipping around, picking, packing, and sorting packages. How do they all work together without crashing into each other or messing up orders? Traditionally, they'd all report to a single, central computer. But what if that computer goes down? The entire operation grinds to a halt. It's a single point of failure, and in a fast-paced environment, that's a huge risk. This is where blockchain comes in to save the day. For those new to the concept, think of blockchain as a shared, digital notebook that's incredibly secure and transparent. Every robot in the fleet can have a copy of this notebook. When one robot completes a task, like moving a package from shelf A to station B, it writes an entry into the notebook. This entry is instantly shared and verified by all the other robots. This creates what we call a decentralized network. There's no single boss. The robots coordinate among themselves. They can see what every other robot is doing in real time. Robot 7 knows that Robot 23 is heading to the same aisle, so it can adjust its path to avoid a collision. It's like a perfectly synchronized dance, but instead of a choreographer, they have a shared, unbreakable source of truth, the blockchain. The security aspect is also massive. Because the data on the blockchain is encrypted and distributed across the entire network, it's nearly impossible to hack or tamper with. A rogue actor can't just break into one system and tell all the robots to send packages to the wrong address. The network would immediately reject the fraudulent command because it doesn't match the verified history in their shared digital notebook. This builds an incredible layer of trust and reliability into the system. Now, let's take this out of the warehouse and into a more critical scenario, a disaster zone. After an earthquake, for example, you could deploy a swarm of drones to search for survivors. In a chaotic environment with no stable internet or central command, how do they coordinate their search? Again, blockchain is the answer. Each drone can use a localized blockchain to map the area. As one drone scans a block and finds nothing, it logs that information. All the other drones in the swarm see this update and know not to waste time searching the same spot. If a drone identifies a potential survivor, it logs the exact coordinates. This information is immediately and securely shared with the entire swarm and with human rescue teams on the ground. This decentralized coordination allows the drones to work together autonomously and efficiently, covering more ground faster than if they were being individually controlled. They can share sensor data, battery levels, and mission-critical updates without relying on a vulnerable central server. It's a powerful example of how this technology can be used to save lives. The potential applications are just staggering. Think about autonomous vehicle fleets communicating on the road to manage traffic flow and prevent accidents. Or imagine a team of surgical robots in an operating room, sharing real-time data on a blockchain to ensure every movement is perfectly synchronized and logged for an unalterable medical record. We're talking about a future where machines can collaborate on complex tasks with a level of security, autonomy, and efficiency we've never seen before. By giving robots a secure and decentralized way to communicate and agree on a single version of the truth, we unlock a new era of intelligent automation. This isn't just about making things faster, it's about building more resilient, trustworthy, and intelligent systems that can tackle some of the world's most complex challenges. The robot revolution is coming, and it's being built on the blockchain. What do you think is the most exciting application for this fusion of tech? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I love reading your ideas. If you found this as fascinating as I did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the technology that's shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.